Good morning, students. Today we will continue the chapter 5, computer memory. In the last class we have discussed some types of memory like primary and secondary memory. So today we will discuss the chart of the category of the secondary storage devices. See student, in secondary storage devices, there are three types of disk. Like one, magnetic disk. It is categorized into three parts: magnetic disk, optical disk, and flash drive. And then magnetic disk is further classified into hard disk. Now see, what is magnetic disk? A magnetic disk is same like hard disk, in which it is covered with a magnetic coating. Means in magnetic disk it is covered with the magnetic coating. You can record and erase the data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Means any number of times you can read, only write and erase the data from the magnetic disk. Now the hard disk. Basically, hard disk, it consists of one or more magnetic disks. Hard disk comes into the category of magnetic disk. Hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks, and each disk has a top and bottom surface. Like suppose this is the hard disk. Okay, so it has one top and bottom surface. Okay, and which is used to record the data. Which hard disk means hard disk have one or more magnetic disk. One or more magnetic disk. Okay, and it has top and bottom surface, and this top and bottom surface is usually used to record the data with the magnetic head. There is magnetic head present that is used to record the data. It is permanently stored on a motherboard. Means hard disk, you can find it on the motherboard inside the CPU cabinet. Okay, and the most important function of the hard disk is to store program files and the data files. Means it is used to store program files and the data files. The student hard disk comes in a variety of size with storage capacity as a terabyte, 5 terabyte, 5 TB. Means there are different types of hard disk based on their sizes. Okay, there are also available the external hard disk. Means this type of hard disk you can easily detach and attach to your computer system. Okay, they can be easily connected with the help of the USB port. So these are the external hard disk. Now the next one is optical disk. Now remember student, optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be written and can be read using a low powered laser beam. Low powered laser beam, optical disk. Okay, and it is used to read and for the purpose of writing on the disk. Okay, and this one is categorized into three parts. One, CD. Okay, now CD stands for compact disk. It is also used to read and write the data on the CD. Okay, now and one more point, the lifespan means life of a optical disk is more than a magnetic disk. Means the life of a CD is more than a hard disk, magnetic disk. Okay, and it can hold up to 700 MB of data. Which one? This one. 700 MB of data one CD can store, and here hard disk can store normally 5 terabyte and up to it can be. Okay, and CD, it is there is a CD drive available in your computer on which you can place the CD and it will start working. Means you can read the CD after inserting it on the CD drive. Okay. Now, there are many types of CDs. Okay, student? Types of CDs. In the CD types, one is CD-ROM. Second one, CD-write. And third one, CD-rewrite. Now, the CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read Only Memory. Listen student, Compact Disc Read Only Memory. Here read only memory. What does it mean? It means that the data can be only written at the time of manufacturing of the CD. Means on CD data can be written only once when it is manufactured. Okay, so data cannot be modified and erased from the CD-ROM. Here cannot modified and erased. Means data can be written only once. Data is written only once at the time of manufacturing. So this is CD-ROM. Then CD-R. CD recordable. This R stands for recordable. Means on which you can use this CD to write the data only once. Here you can write the data only once. Means one time you can use it to write the data. But the data written by you on the CD cannot be changed. Means data cannot be changed from the CD recordable disk. Okay. Now the next one is CD rewritable. Now the next one is CD rewritable. CD rewritable means compact disc rewrite. Means on this CD you can write and read the data as many times as you want. Means any number of times you can write the data. When you write the data, you can read it, you can modify it, you can erase it, and again you can write the data on the CD. So here you can write data again and again. Write. You can write here data again and again. Okay, and here data can be erased and modified as many as time you want to modify and erased. Can modify and erased. Now, next one is these three were CD-ROM, CD recordable and CD rewrite. These are the types of CD. Now next one is DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile or digital video. Digital versatile and digital video disc. Okay. Now what is the difference between CD and the DVD? Basically the amount used to store in the DVD is bigger than the CD. Means you can store the large amount of data on the DVD. Okay. Means storage capacity of the DVD is larger than the CD. Okay. And working is same. and DVD is usually used to for the purpose of storing and viewing movies and the other data. Okay, now the next one is Blu-ray disc. Student, remember, these all were CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc are the part of the optical disc. Now, it is an optical disc. It is used for storing amount of data and playing videos. The main difference between DVD and the Blu-ray disc is the storage capacity. Means you can store the large amount of data on the Blu-ray disc as compared to DVD. Now, the next one is flash drive. So, flash drive is a small portable data storage device which is integrated with a USB. Okay, means USB means integrated with the USB means it is attached with the USB port, integrated with USB. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus means with the help of USB you can attach the flash drive with any computer system, with any device. So this is the connector. It works as a connector. Which one? USB. USB works as a connector. In the USB there is pen drive. I think all of you are very familiar with the pen drive. Pen drive is generally small in size. It can store up to 1 TB of data. Its capacity of storing data is 1 TB means 1 terabyte. It can store the data and it can be carried easily in a pocket and you can plug it into any computer system. So this is small in size. Then after pen drive there is memory card. Now what is memory card? Student, memory card is generally known as multimedia memory card. Multimedia means you can store audio files. Multimedia memory card means in this you can store audio means music files, video means pictures, photo, images, any types of data you can store in the memory card. Okay, it is also very small in size. The size of memory card is 1 to 1.5 inch. Remember, the size of memory card is around 1 to 1.5 inch. Okay, and these are used in mobile phones and digital camera. Memory cards are used in mobile phones and digital camera for the purpose of storing data. Okay, and here we need to have the card reader to read the data. Means the data which is stored on the memory card. So we have the card reader to read that data. Same like that is you insert the CD on the CD drive. Same memory card, for memory card reading we should have a card reader. Okay. Now I will show you some pics of the storage devices. So see student, which we have discussed in the class. Okay, see student, this is the RAM. Okay, it is generally stored inside the CPU cabinet on the. Okay, now this is the ROM chip for the read only memory. This is the chip of that Now here, see, this is the hard disk that is also present on the memory, on the motherboard of the CPU. Okay, here this is the external hard disk, means that is used to store, that is used to attach or detach anytime from the computer. Okay, this is the CD drive. Remember, by clicking on this, it will open the case on which you can easily put the CD, and CD is ready to work. Okay, here this is the CD recordable. See, here it is written CD recordable, on which you can write the data. Okay, here this is the DVD. Okay, now the next one is, this is the Blu-ray disc, means the color of this is blue, Blu-ray disc. This is pen drive, and this is the memory card. Okay, student, so all which I have discussed today, you have to read at home. Okay, student, thank you, have a nice day.